Do this instead in order to get a very tasty stew. Okay, here I have my tomatoes, shombo, tatashe, onions, curry, thyme, mixed spices, and oil. I will have to cook this for some minutes in order to get these ingredients imbibe into my tomato paste. This is my focal point. This is the first thing I do in order to get a very tasty stew. If you try this, you never do your stew the other way around. So after turning and combining the whole ingredients inside, some people used to add ginger and garlic, but here I just have to make do with these ones. So I have to boil it. I have to steam it. You steam it and allow the whole water to be drained and dried very, very well. As you can see here now, it's already done. I have to proceed to blend my tomato. Okay, after blending, you now start making your stew. In fact, if you can achieve this at this point, just know it that your stew is already a success. You're making a tasty stew. Anybody that tests it will keep on asking you the spices or the recipe you use in making your stew. Do you get? So when I'm done blending this, I'll proceed to making the stew. Thereafter, I heat my oil on the pot, put my ginger. No, I put my garlic. At this point, I just want to limit the way I take ginger. So I decided to use garlic. Then I fry the garlic first. Do this, you understand why I'm frying that garlic first. So after frying my garlic, I put my onions and my bay leaf. All these things I put them one after the other to allow the each of them to give their own taste to my to their just let them infuse their taste into the oil. Then I put my thyme, my curry. So when the required minutes I needed them to be done, already my meat is steaming. At this point, I'm using goat meat for my stew today. So thereafter, I proceed to add my tomato paste. I noticed that Gino has produced Gino Party Jollof in big sachet. I saw it in the market today. I have to buy one. Okay, so this is it. I've already put it, and I have to turn it to get done and allow it to, get done and be okay. So after that, I add my this is the hero ingredients. So I have to add it. By this time, it has to I have to combine it with the already tomato that is there and allow it to boil for some time. You don't have to overboil it because already you've already boiled this tomato, so you don't need to give it so much time. So after a while, I now proceed with my goat meat ingredients. Then add my crayfish. Some people do not use crayfish in their stew, but me, I always use it, but it gives this unique taste in my stew. So after adding my crayfish, my no is my bouillon cube. This is spice. Then after that, I now pour my goat meat with the water, the goat meat sauce. So I allow to boil. You have to allow it to boil. Don't be in a hurry. Cooking stew requires patience. You have to be patient. Allow them to boil. Do you get? So when it has reached to this point that the oil is floating on top, now then you know that your stew is ready. Okay? Do this and thank me later. You will never have a boring stew. Subscribe and watch.